Hey, how's it going, guys? Today we are in Henderson and we're going to be touring some brand new condos. This is pretty new to my channel because I don't usually do condos, and the reason why is because they don't come up that often. So if you're looking for a brand new condo in Henderson, this might be your opportunity, and I cannot wait to show you. Also, guys, if this is your first time to my channel and you would like to stay up to date with all the new construction here throughout the Las Vegas area, tap the subscribe button below. Also tap that notifications bell. That way when we do upload these tours, you guys are always the first to learn about them. Now let's get started. All right, guys, here we are in the community of Presley Place by Harmony Homes in Henderson. For today's tour, we're going to be checking out unit number 3. I just also did property tours on unit 1 and 2. If you want to check those out, I'll have the link on your top right hand screen of unit 2. So here we have some condos. I know I don't do these too often, and the interesting part about this, guys, these are classified as condos, but they are townhomes. So I know that might sound a little confusing. I was confused myself when they told me that these are condos, and I was speaking to the agent. Obviously the intention was to sell these as townhomes, but the city of Henderson classified these as condos, so now too late, they have to sell my condo. But here we have a condo that I'm going to show you, which is unit 3. And this one is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. It is 1,505 square feet. This one will come with a 2-car garage. I know you don't see it right now, but I'll show you in just a second. And starting base price for this one, guys, is $330,990. HOA here is $249 a month. It is a gated community, and there is a total of 3 different units. So you got unit 1, 2, and 3, and they range from either from up low as 1,096 square feet to up to 1,505 square feet. 2 to 3 bedrooms, 2 to 2.5 baths, and they come either 1 to 2-car garage, and starting as low as $296,990. So, but for today's video, guys, we're just going to be focusing on unit 3. And right here you would have a 2-car garage. Right now, currently the sales office, your main front entrance door is over there. But really quick, just so you have a reference of what the garage looks like, there are some other condos over here that are under construction, and I'm going to show you real quick. As you can see, guys, it has a 1, 1, and 2. So we're going to be checking out the 2-car garage unit number 3. So just really quick, just wanted to show you that, so you're not like, what? And also, I know the entrance for unit 3 is on this side. For unit 1 and 2 is on the left side. So let's go just to unit 3 is the only one that's going to have its own, pretty much, you can say, private entrance, because there's no other entrance on this side. And I'm not going to go in through this door, guys. I'm just walking back here to show you the main entrance, and not just that, I just want to show you the backyard because you cannot access it from inside the house, and it's very hard to show you. but this would be your main entrance and your backyard. I'm gonna show you, since I'm out here, your backyard for unit 3. Don't worry, I know that center divider fence, they'll raise it once they sell these model homes, but they keep them low just for modeling purposes. But this is your backyard, guys. It doesn't come landscape. You're just gonna get just dirt, guys. But I know it's not your biggest, guys, but at the end of the day, guys, these are just condos. So I would just be thankful at least it has something to come out there, get some fresh air, barbecue, or even take out your furry pets, use the restroom. So at least it's something, right? Better than nothing. So 2 out of 3 units here in this community do have a backyard. So the only ones with the backyard is gonna be unit 3 and 2. Unit 1 does not have a backyard. But they all do have a garage. Like I said, you know, only unit 3 is the only one that you do get the 2 car. The rest, unit 1 and 2, you get the 1 car. Let me show you. So you do have a park over there. Let me actually zoom in real quick. Like a little park, picnic area. So you can see right there, a little seating area. And you also do have a basketball court. I think that's pretty cool. It's not a full court, guys. It's about a half court, but at least it's something to toss the ball around and get, you know, get your practice on. Let me zoom out again. And so right now we're gonna go in through the sales office. Keep in mind, guys, it is a sales office, not yet a garage. Let's go. So here off to the right, so pretty much where you see this wall right here, from there on is going to be your 2-car garage for unit 3. Don't mind, because you do have the entrances for all the units for unit 1, 2, and 3, just because it is a sales office. But here it is. Here's floor plans. I'm gonna pause it, whatever. Take a look. So now let's go inside unit 3. All right. So before I get any further, immediately here to the left is to go to the 2nd floor. Then, which is pretty cool right here. Do you have this area? You can put a little bench right there when you come in, take your shoes off. And then right here you have a coat closet. Then straight ahead, you got the kitchen, living room. And then over here, you're gonna have a powder room and the laundry. First, let me just show you guys here, over here, and then we'll see that in just a second. But here you got your living room. A small like bar table over there, pretty cool. They don't have a dining table, but I'd imagine you could probably fit a dining table over there. But with this nice big island, check it out. Look how big that island is. So you might not even need a dinner, depending on how many people, your family, or how many people live with you. But look at this, you got bar stool there, easy fit. Another, probably, they have 2. I guess you could say 2, and then probably put another one right there. So easy fit 4 people here on this island. So this one is granite countertops. So you have the granite all throughout, and then the tile backsplash. And interesting, they have like this, cabinets are like grayish, greenish, forest greenish. Interesting. I kind of like it. So here you are gonna have a gas stove. I know many condos or townhomes don't have a gas stove. This is not the case. Also, before I forget, refrigerator, washer, dryer, and also blinds do come included with your condo purchase. So just that alone, guys, you save some bucks, right? So dishwasher, your stainless steel undermount sink. Stand over here so you can see it good. And then in between right here, this is where you got your pantry. Not bad size for a condo / townhouse. Yeah, so you're really buying a townhome, guys, but like I said, it is gonna be classified as a condo, and unfortunately that does also increase the HOA fees to that $249. versus townhome, you're probably looking at the low 200s. Since now they classify it as a condo, it's the mid 200s now because there's more maintenance. Now they have to do the front maintenance and just the community maintenance. So this is where I was saying that I think you could fit a table. I know these are similar to the community Falcon Ridge, and I believe they have a stage with a dining table here. But just kind of giving you guys an idea. And then over here you got your living room. Check it out, 8-foot ceilings. And they do have this like luxury vinyl planks flooring as well. 2 windows. This is the door to go to your backyard. This is why I showed you from the exterior, because this is all I would be able to show you. So not much. So that's why I went out there real quick and showed you the backyard. But I mean, this is your first floor, guys. This is where you're gonna be spending most of the time. Let me know what you guys think. You guys like it, you don't? I mean, for something that's in the low 300s, and also in this community, I'd about another, from that base price I give you guys, add about another 8 to 10K. And that's gonna give you a good idea of out the door price. And I did forget to mention, guys, this is the door I showed you guys in the beginning of the video, the exterior. This is your front door, locked, cannot open it. I just wanted to point that out. And then you are gonna have your washer and dryer on your first floor, which, let me know if that's something that bugs you, since all the bedrooms are upstairs, or is that okay? I mean, to be honest, I think it's okay, because if there is an accident, guess what? It's on the first floor versus it coming in through the ceiling. Yeah, that would be a big disaster. Okay, so now let's check out your powder room, currently being used as a builder's public bathroom. But let me show you real quick, guys, just so you don't say I didn't show you. But I mean, you could definitely, it's how spacious this is, you know? It's not tight, not you come into a little cave, feel suffocated. So pretty good size powder room in my opinion. So now let's go upstairs. That's the garage door we just came in through, / office right now. But let's go upstairs. And if you guys are enjoying this tour, guys, do me a huge favor. Like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications. Also, guys, if you guys are interested in coming and checking out this community, this floor plan, and you would like to have a realtor like myself on your side, which I hope so. Not just kidding, guys. No, even if you have your own agent, guys, it's super critical that you even hear me out. If you are gonna want a realtor like myself, or you already have your own realtor, it's super critical that we come with you on the first visit, guys. Because if not, the builder will not allow us to represent you or help you later. So question I get, guys, is why is it so important to have your own realtor? Well, guys, we work for you guys, not the builder. While the builder's agents are helpful, they do represent the builder's interest, guys. So I'm here to make sure you have you get the best deal, avoid any pitfalls, protect your interest every step of the way, guys. So if you would like me as your realtor, and I sure hope so, guys, reach out to me anytime, guys. If you have any questions or need any advice, guys, contact info in the description below. All right, enough of me yapping, guys. Let's get back to business. You're like, Romero, show me the house. So linen closet, and this is very interesting, guys. This space right here, obviously is not a loft, guys. Definitely not a loft, but it is nice and spacious. You could probably put something there. It even has a power outlet, I believe, right there. I don't know if I'm getting sick, but I'm starting to cough. So now let's go check out bedroom number 1, guys. Also upstairs, you're gonna get the carpet throughout, 8-foot ceilings as well. You're only gonna have flooring throughout the wet areas, like if you have your laundry room, or actually laundry room's downstairs, so just in your bathrooms. Then you have the closet right here. Let's go over here. Bedroom number 2. They have a stage like an office. Closet's right there. Check it out. Not bad. Then you come over here, and then to the left, you have your hallway bathroom. Single vanity, 1 toilet, obviously 1 toilet, duh. I meant to admit like 1 sink, 1 vanity. But then you have your prefabricated combo tub stand-up shower. Sometimes, guys, I get ahead of myself. Or sometimes I'm just so used to seeing certain type of properties that it's like I say it the same and I try to do it when this is different, guys. So one vanity. And then see, this is what I was talking about. You got your flooring and then your carpet. And right over here, guys, you have your primary bedroom, guys. Look at this. Nice and bright in here. I like that. But yeah, this is your primary bedroom. It has 1, 2, 3 windows. Look at that. Not too small, not too big. At the end of the day, guys, like I said, this is a condo. I know some people might say, like, remember, that is tiny. I get it, you know, it could, if you want something bigger, then you definitely want to be looking at single family residential homes versus a condo, if that's something you guys want, guys. But I think, you know, this is a nice opportunity for first-time home buyers. You know, that's a good starter home, guys, to be honest. It's always better than to pay somebody else's mortgage, right? Pay your own mortgage if you can, guys. I understand, not all, you know, sometimes we have to take a step back and do what we've got to do, and till we're able to take those 2 to 3 steps forward to get our own house one day. So I get it. But if you're able to and you want to get out of renting, I'm always going to recommend it. Look at this, guys. Primary bathroom. So you got the dual vanity, same color cabinets as the kitchen. Here I can see them a little better. They are like greenish. Same flooring as well as the first floor. You got the quartz countertop, then your stand-up shower, your toilet, and then nothing behind that door. I was expecting something. But this is it, guys. What do you guys think? Let me know. I mean, this is the biggest unit that is available here in this community. And if you are open to smaller ones, I just did videos on those too. Check them out, my previous videos. All right, guys, well, let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this floor plan. And if you had a chance to see the other tours, 1 and 2, let me know which one's your favorite, 1, 2, or this floor plan number 3. And if you, like I said, if you'd like to come schedule a property tour, and or even if you're looking to resell home, guys, or even looking to sell a home, guys, I can still assist you. I'll have my contact info in the description below, guys. I would definitely love the opportunity to earn your business and be your agent of choice and help you every step of the way. At the end of the day, guys, it's all about, you know, getting the best possible deal and also making it easy and less stressful, right? So that's my job, guys. So I definitely love the opportunity to help you. Don't hesitate to reach out, guys, even if it's just a question, even if you're 7 days, 30 days, 90 days, 6 months, doesn't matter, guys. Let's connect. Let's put a game plan together and get you into your home here, whether you're here locally, out of state, out the country. Here to help any way I can, guys. So hope you guys enjoyed this property tour, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications. That when we do upload these tours, you guys are always the first to learn about them. Until next time, guys.